Waiting for Godot, 1953, by Samuel Beckett is one of the most influential and challenging plays of 20th century English literature, often described as the defining work of the theatre of the absurd. The play radically departs from traditional dramatic conventions such as plot, progression, logical dialogue, and psychological realism. Instead, Beckett presents a bleak yet darkly comic vision of human existence marked by waiting, uncertainty, repetition, and meaninglessness. The play does not tell a conventional story. Rather, it dramatizes a condition of being. At its core, Waiting for Godot revolves around two tramps, Vladimir, and Estragon, Gogo, who wait endlessly by a barren tree for a mysterious figure named Godot, who never arrives. Nothing significant happens. Twice. This absence of action is deliberate. Beckett strips drama to its bare essentials to expose the emptiness and circularity of human life. The characters wait because waiting gives them a reason to go on. Without it, they would be forced to confront the terrifying possibility that life has no inherent purpose. One of the most debated aspects of the play is the identity of Godot. Beckett famously resisted definitive interpretations, but critics have associated Godot with God, salvation, hope, meaning, or authority. What matters more than who Godot is, however, is the act of waiting itself. The character's faith that Godot will come tomorrow mirrors humanity's tendency to postpone meaning, fulfillment, or redemption to an indefinite future. As Beckett suggests, hope can be both sustaining and paralyzing. The play's language and dialogue further reinforce its absurdity. Conversations are repetitive, fragmented, and often nonsensical. Characters forget what they said moments earlier, contradict themselves, and engage in wordplay that leads nowhere. This linguistic breakdown reflects the collapse of communication in the modern world. Language, once seen as a tool for clarity and truth, becomes inadequate and unreliable. Beckett thus dramatizes what philosophers like Wittgenstein and Camus explored theoretically: the limits of language in expressing meaning. The appearance of Pozzo and Lucky introduces another dimension to the play. Their master-slave relationship initially appears comic but gradually reveals a disturbing commentary on power, domination, and dependency. Pozzo's cruelty and Lucky's silent suffering, culminating in Lucky's incoherent monologue, suggest the dehumanizing effects of social hierarchies and intellectual systems. By Act 2, Pozzo becomes blind and helpless, emphasizing Beckett's view that human authority is temporary and illusory.